Hello everyone, and welcome to the next section of the C++ programming course. In this section we will be looking at operators. So what are operators? Operators are basically just a character or symbol that determines an action to be performed. So for example, in maths we use addition with a plus, and for subtraction we use a minus. And operators are really important because we use them everywhere through programming. So there are a couple of different types of operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. In this video we are going to be looking at arithmetic operators. Okay, so these are the different types of operators. So as we can see, we have a plus for addition, a minus for a subtraction, and everything at the top four you should be familiar with through basic mathematics. And here, this might seem a little strange, but what this is modulus. So this just gives the remainder. So for example, if you did 7 modulus 5, it would give 2, because 7 divided by 2 gives a remainder of 7 divided by 5 gives a remainder of 2. This plus plus just increments the current number, and the negative decrements the current number. Okay, so let's have a look at some examples in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so the first operator that we will look at is the addition operator. Okay, so the addition operator. So this is really simple. So to demonstrate, I'll create a variable called number, and if I do number equals 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 is 11. So when I print number, this should give 11. So if I save and run that, you can see that it says 11. Okay, so that's simple enough. Okay, and so the next operator to look at is the subtraction operator. So the subtraction operator. Okay, and this again is just simple from what we know from basic mathematics. So I'll again just create a variable called number, and I will say number equals 10 take 4, which we know is 6. So if I output number, this should give us 6. And as you can see, we get 6. Okay, and now the next one is the multiplication operator. So for the multiplication operator, it is same as the ones that we did before. So I'll create this variable. I will say number equals 7 asterisk 5, which is 7 times 5, which is 35. So if I now output number, this should give us 35. So if I save and run that, as you can see, we've got 35. Now for the next one, it is the division operator. So for the division operator, we'll create a variable called number, and we'll say number equals 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So if we output number, we should get 4. And as you can see, we've got 4. Okay, so the next thing is the modulus operator. Okay, so the modulus operator. Okay, and as I said before, what the modulus operator does is it gives the remainder. Okay, so if I say if I create the number variable, and if I say number equals 10 modulus 4, modulus 6, 10 divided by 6 is 1 with a remainder of 4, so we should get 4. So if I now output number, we should get 4. And as you can see, we get 4. Okay, that's simple enough. So the next operator we will look at is the increment operator. Okay, and this is simple as well. This just increases the value of number by 1, and this is more useful when we go into loops, for example when we're doing while loops, but for now I will just show you an example. So I'll just set number to 5, and I will do, if I do number plus plus, now number should be 6. So if I print out number, we will get 6. Okay, and this is the same with the decrement operator. Decrement operator, we just use two negatives. So if I say number equals 5 again, and if I do number, negative, negative, and now if I output number, we will get 4. There we go. So that's all there is really to arithmetic operators. We will be using the increment and decrement operators more when we look at loops, but this is the basic for now. So you can play around with this and get used to it, but I hope you were able to understand it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.